Lowercase letter A. We begin from our baseline with our quick lead in, then we come up for an over curve. Then we have a down curve which retraces, an under curve to meet up with the original over curve, slant, then an under curve. Over curve, down curve, under curve, slant, under curve. Lead in, it's like you arc to the right, you come back, retrace, connect with that arc, you retrace, come down, make sure that your A is not floating, that you touch the baseline. Arc, and that over curve, come back down, connect, A. You may see in some cursive practice books for you to start in the middle of your line, and it almost looks like a handwritten or printed A. I really wouldn't practice this way just because the majority of your words are going to have an A sandwiched in between. For example, the word mat, M-A-T, cross your T. I cover the M and cover the T. You're going to have that initial lead in as well as your final undercurve or your tail to connect with your M and your T. If you were practicing this way, you would have had to pick up your pencil and it would look like this. M, pick up your pencil, A, T, and that's incorrect formation of your letters. So again, I would not practice this way. If you see that in other cursive handwriting tutorials, I would get into the practice of with your initial tail or lead in as you practice your letter A. A. It's almost as if you were to give this a little tiny face. Looks like somebody with long hair, doesn't it? So words that you can practice: man, 3 humps, 1, 2, 3. A, leading straight into your A. N, 2 humps. Again, no floating letters, and your letters should not pass that imaginary halfway line. We've already done mat. Now wall. W's are interesting because of where you connect. Connect up top, lead straight into the A. L, L. Notice I did not come back down to form my A. I used that check stroke or that tail to go straight into my A. Tan, T, A, N, cross your T. Want, again with their W, can be a little tricky when we connect. Don't go down. We come right into that arc of the A. Now retrace, connect, N, T, cross your T.